Hey YouTube, this is Humberto Gray, and we're at GrayLaw TV, giving you information on immigration topics, hot topics, news, entertainment as well within the immigration area. And if you like this video, click on below, subscribe. Today we're going to talk a little bit about citizenship, naturalization, and just the general requirements. So the first requirement is that you are a permanent resident of the U.S. and you have to have that permanent resident status or green card for a minimum of 5 years before you can apply for citizenship. If you're married to a U.S. citizen, then the time period is 3 years. You have to have your green card for 3 years, and you're eligible to apply right away. There's also a physical presence requirement. That is, from the date of application, you must be in the U.S. 2.5 of 5 years. There's also a requirement that you cannot be out of the U.S. for more than 1 year at a time. There's other requirements in terms of if you have a conviction that might render you ineligible. There's a statutory period of 5 years where you have to have good moral character. What that means basically is that you have to have a clean record. Some convictions may not knock you out, but others will, and you have to be very, very careful when you're talking about any convictions within that 5-year period, because what happens is they can deny your citizenship and they can put you under deportation proceedings. So you have to be very mindful of those requirements of good moral character. Certain convictions outside of that 5-year period might render you ineligible as well. So if there's any conviction, from the time you got your green card until you apply for citizenship, you might want to consult with a lawyer. There also is certain requirements such as you can't owe child support. That's lack of good moral character. And several other requirements that I won't really get into at this point because, it's very detailed. But if you have any questions regarding citizenship, I would certainly advise that you consult with an attorney, a reputable attorney, not a notario, but an attorney, and get legal advice. And good luck with that citizenship.